Hello guys, Jai Hind. Hope you all are doing well and welcome to our AS Online channel. Let's see the important announcement which was made by the UPSC EPFO recruitment. We will see to how to apply for the important 230 post of EO, AO vacancies. Okay, this is the official notification released by the UPSC, EPFO and EO, AO post. But we will discuss this important vacancy in detail form. Final authority for this exam is UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. Post name is EO, Enforcement Officer, AO, Accounts Officer and APFC, that means Assistant Provident Fund Commissioner. Okay, total number of vacancies are 230. Application mode is online. You have to apply this form in online mode. Registration date will start from 29th of July and it will end on 18th of August 2025. Tentative date of exam is 30th of November 2025. Okay, it is expected. Selection process, first written test and second is interview, that means personality test. Probation period is 2 years. You have to know this important term, probation period. This important vacancy is probation period, which is 2 years. Salary 43,600 to 55,200, within this range. Okay, so let's see the important vacancy distribution which was released by the UPSC EPFO. Total 230 vacancies. Out of them 156 vacancies are reserved for EO and AO post. Okay, and these are the total vacancies distribution according to their important categories. For UR 78, SC 23, ST 12, OBC 42, EWS 01. Okay, and 74 vacancies are reserved for APFC. In 74, out of them 32 for UR, SC 07, OBC 28, EWS 07. So this is the vacancies distribution for UPSC EPFO post. Okay. Nationality. You have to, interested candidate must have to citizen of India. Yes, it is very important. But in subject of Nepal or Bhutan or Tibetan refugees settled permanently in India since 1962 and a person in Indian origin settled permanently in India from countries like Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Burma and Vietnam and other East African countries, they are also eligible to apply this post. So this is very important. Next, what is educational qualification for this important post? That means EO, AO and APFC. Educational qualification for EO, AO post, bachelor degree is required with any stream, any subject with recognized university. Okay, educational qualification for APFC, candidate with a bachelor degree, graduation in any stream from any recognized university or University of India will be eligible for this post. And essential degree from a recognized university or equivalent. Desirable diploma in company law, labor law or public administration. So this is very important. Let's see age limit for these important vacancies. EO and AO, you have to secure your 30 years. Okay, if you are from 30 years, 21st to 30, then you are eligible for EO and AO post. APFC post 35 years is mandatory. And upper age relaxation is also applicable here. For SC, ST 5 years, OBC 3 years, employees of EPFO 5 years, general PH candidate 10 years, PH candidate OBC 13 years, PH candidate SC and ST 15 year age relaxation. Okay, so this is upper age relaxation and age limit of all these important posts, EO, AO and APFC. UPSC EPFO application fee. If you are from general category, OBC and EWS category, then you have to pay only rupees 25 for this application post. Okay, for this application fee in this post. If you are from SC, ST, PWD and female, then no application fee. And application fee, that means mode of payment is only online. Okay, how to apply for this important post? You have to apply for UPSC EPFO 2025 vacancies to go through upsc.nic.in, where you can see UPSC EPFO online application form. Click on that part and click to apply now. Okay, next page, click on the declaration of the bottom of the page and yes, I agree. You have to apply. Personal details, fill total personal detail, your name, your father's name, your qualification, your permanent address, whatever which is mentioned there. Finally, agree to the declaration and submit part 1 of the UPSC officer online application form, and go to part 2 for the form and make payment details except the fee exempted candidate. Okay, who are exempted? Selection of examination center, upload your photograph, signature, photo identity card, document and all declaration. Verify all the credential and click the submit button. Then your form will be submit. Okay. Next is requirements of UPSC EPFO application form 2025. You have to obtain your all things, that means matriculation certificate, mark sheet, your birth certificate, age proof certificate, educational certificate, caste certificate, challan, credit certificate and e-challan, photograph and signature. Okay, at first you have to arrange these all important arrangements, all important your credentials, then you have to apply. Okay, next is stage 1 recruitment, stage 1 recruitment test. The exam will be offline. Type of question, objective type multiple choice question. Okay, total duration 2 hours, total marks 300 and number of question will be 120, that means 2.5 marks each. Okay, negative mark, a penalty of 1/3 of the marks will be deducted for each incorrect answer. Okay, so you have to answer all your MCQs carefully. Language of the test, bilingual Hindi and English except the general English section. That means a general English section is also available in this important exam. Second stage, interview or personality test, where total marks, that means 100 marks, which is contribute 25% of the final selection, in which minimum qualifying marks are different category wise, 50 for the general and EWS, 45 for OBC, 40 for SC, ST and PH. Okay, motive to analyze candidates' personality and suitability for this important post. So this is the main motive for interview or personality test. Let's see the exam pattern. Exam pattern in 2 parts, that means part A and part B. In part A, general English and vocabulary will be there and it is only in English. In part B, these are the important topics. Okay, total are, you have to allot 2 hours, 300 marks total, and after you have to clear your interview, UPSC interview. This will carry 100 marks. Okay, 25% will secure your merit list. And this is the important note, that means penalty, 1/3 of penalty, MCQ, Hindi or English exam, no answer is marked for the question, there will be no penalty for that question. PWD candidates shall be allowed for the compensatory of 20 minutes. So this is the important note for your important vacancy. And this is the UPSC EPFO EO AO cutoff last year, that means 2023. All categories, recruitment test, interview and final selection after your all obtaining marks. And UPSC EPFO APFC cutoff last year, that means 2023, with their important category. So all the very best for the important vacancy. You have to apply this post for your future, for your important time. Jai Hind to all of you.